Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect this WhatsApp chat button to your website on Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites, and next to your website that you want to connect WhatsApp on, click on Edit Website. Now, this is my website inside Hostinger Website Builder, and to connect to connect WhatsApp, simply click on More. A new menu slides in, then go to Integrations and scroll down to WhatsApp. Click on it. As you see, engage with customers in real time through convenient and direct chat. Now, fill or add your WhatsApp phone number here. And here you can add a default message. Your default message is the message that your visitors will see when they open WhatsApp on your website. For example, hey, how can I help you today? Click on Save. As you see, it changes. Save it. Don't forget to update your website from here or from this corner. It's the same thing. Now my website is updated. Let's view it live. And this is my WhatsApp chat button. If I click on it, a new window opens up. And since I am on a computer, I can see the option of opening the app if it is installed on my laptop, or continue to WhatsApp web. I need to connect my phone to start chatting with myself. But for visitors trying to visit my website on their mobile number, when they click on this WhatsApp button, their WhatsApp app will open up and they can start talking to you. And this is how to connect WhatsApp to your website on Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.